Assalamu alaikum one class. Today you are going to do drill of page number 33. Today you are going to drill only this page, and next you will solve this page according to the diary and key will be sent also. Preposition. What do you mean by preposition? Preposition is a word where. Where means kaha. Where is a noun. Where is a person? Where is a place? Where is a thing? Or where is an animal? Again repeat. Preposition is a word to show where is person, where is animal, where is place and where is thing. मतलब कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ पे है, कौन सा पर्सन कहाँ है, कौन सा एनिमल, कौन सा थिंग, उसको कहते हैं preposition. Where is the rabbit? Look at the first picture. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is behind the box. Behind the box. Behind is a preposition. Behind means पीछे. behind. Behind. Behind means पीछे. Behind the box. Number 2. Dash the box. Where is the rabbit? In front of. उसके सामने है. In front of the box. The rabbit is in front of the box. In front of. Number 3. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is in the box. उसके अंदर है. In अंदर. In the box. Number 4. Where is the rabbit? Beside the box. Beside. 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 उसके एक तरफ है ना, डिब्बे के एक तरफ है. Beside. Beside the box. Number 5. Dash the box. Where is the rabbit? Dash the box. Over the box. Over. उसके ऊपर से ही देखें गुजर रहा है. Over. over. Over the box. Where is the rabbit? Over the box. Number 6. Where is the rabbit? Between the boxes. दो boxes के दरमियान है. Between. 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 Between means दरमियान. Between the boxes. Number 7. Dash the table. Where is the rabbit? Under the table. उसके नीचे है. Under. 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 Under the table. Number 8. Dash the table. कहाँ पे है rabbit? टेबल के ऊपर है. On the table. ऊपर. On. On the table. Again repeat. Number 1. Behind the box. Number 2. In front of the box. Number 3. In the box. Number 4. Beside the box. Number 5. Over the box. Number 6. Between the boxes. Number 7. Under the table. Number 8. On the table. Now move to the next question. And the next question is, fill in the blanks with the given preposition of place. Place की preposition आपने यहाँ पे करनी है. So the place prepositions are given. You have to put these preposition according to the sentence. Sentence number 1. Mom is cooking dash the kitchen. Look at this picture. Mom is cooking in the picture. वो खाना कहाँ पका रही हैं? किचन में. In the kitchen. In. Here is in. Cut it and write it. In the kitchen. Mom is cooking in the kitchen. Number 2. The girl is standing dash the trees. Look here. Girl is standing dash the trees. उसके दरमियान में खड़ी है. Between. The girl is standing between. Here is between. Right here. The girl is standing between the trees. Number 3. The boy is throwing ball dash the girl. Look here. A boy and a girl are playing with the ball. The boy is throwing ball. Boy जो है वो बॉल गर्ल की तरफ फेंक रहा है, उसको उसकी तरफ फेंक रहा है, उसको कैच करवा रहा है. द बॉय इज थ्रोइंग. थ्रोइंग मीन्स फेंक रहा. बॉल टू द गर्ल. हेयर इज टू. द बॉय इज थ्रोइंग बॉल टू द गर्ल. नंबर 4, द skunk. skunk इज गुलहरी को कहते हैं. skunk गुलहरी को कहते हैं. द skunk इज dash द tree. skunk यानी गुलहरी कहाँ है? In front of, उसके सामने है. The skunk is in front of the tree. The skunk is in front of the tree. Number 5, the plant is dash the sofa. Where is the plant? Plant यानी पौधा कहाँ है? सोफे के पास है, नज़दीक है, उसके एक तरफ है. The plant is near the sofa. Look here. Near, N-E-A-R, near, उसके करीब है. The plant is near the sofa. Number 6, the buildings are dash the river. Here is river and the buildings are dash the river. उसके दूसरी तरफ है, रिवर के, दरिया के दूसरी तरफ है. Across the river. A-C-R-O-O-S, across. The buildings are across the river. Number 7, the sheep jumped dash the fence. वो देखें, वो बाड़ के ऊपर से शीप छलांग लगा रही है, यानी एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ आ रही है. एक तरफ से छलांग लगा के बाड़ के ऊपर से दूसरी तरफ आ रही है. The sheep jumped over the fence. किसी एक चीज़ के एक तरफ से छलांग लगा के दूसरी तरफ जाना, उसके लिए preposition यूज़ करते हैं over. The sheep jumped over the fence. Now again repeat. Mom is cooking in the kitchen. Number 2, the girl is standing between the trees. Number 3, the boy is throwing ball to the girl. Number 4, the skunk is in front of the tree. Number 5, the plant is near the sofa. Number 6, the buildings are across the river. Number 7, the sheep jumped over the fence. Now you have to learn it and solve it when send it in the diary. Allah Hafiz.